2026, correct?
Maybe I can shed some light on this. It assumes repeal of the President's health care law in replacement with what we think is a better law to address these very legitimate concerns among citizens. And it is the job of the other authorizing to design those details of what that replacement law looks like. So if you're trying to view this in the sense of just taking something away from somebody, that's not an accurate description. It's replacing this law, which we obviously think is a very flawed law, should be replaced with better law that addresses these needed health care concerns that are confronting our schools.
With all due respect, Mr. Chairman, I think that question was asked by Mr. Van Hollen, and there actually is no substitute in this document, nor were any of these witnesses able to share.
That's the purview of the authorizing committee.
Well, I understand that, but my question, and I'll get back to it, is a very simple, it's a factual question. This budget assumes the repeal of the provision of Obamacare that allows young people to remain on their parents' plan until they're 26. Isn't that correct?
I think the chairman answered your question.
So it's yes.
I think he answered your question.
Well, I'm asking you, sir.
Look, it's a repeal and a replacement of something better, which is to be designed by the authorizing committees.
Secondly, with respect to the expansion of Obamacare that you spoke about earlier, it also repeals the provision that prevents insurance companies from denying coverage to individuals because of pre-existing medical conditions, correct? It assumes that as well, a repeal of that provision.
I think the chairman just spoke to this issue. The idea is that Obamacare would be, pardon me, the health care law would be repealed and replaced in the chairman's mark. That's the way he described his mark.
Mr. Chairman, I hope it's clear from my questions that they've acknowledged that these provisions are repealed. And I understand the reluctance to admit that, but they're important provisions, and I yield back to Donald.
Yes, I don't think we're disputing that. Yeah.